How to buy DEX223 token. So this token came under the symbol of the 223. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the DEX account and keep following their updates about this token. To be able to buy this token, as you can see, you will be able to buy it in their official website. So after you click on their official website, you will be open this page. So as you can see, pre-sale round 1 and pre-sale round 2 are completed. So D223 tokens can be purchased during the ICO with Ethereum, USDT, USDC, or DAI or Ethereum mainnet. You can purchase tokens with Ethereum by simply sending it to the address of the smart contract, as you can see here. Now, how to do that? Now, copy the token address. As you can see, open your wallet that you have an Ethereum on. For example, if you have an Ethereum on your Bitkit, just click on Bitkit. As you can see, go to your wallet, find your Ethereum link, click on it. What you need to do is just click on send here and paste the contract address that you copy from the official website. Now after that, as you can see, this a contract address. Funds are not be returned after transfer. Please be careful. So as you can see, make sure to be aware of that. What you need to do is just type how much you want to send to that contract address, and after that you will be here to see how much of gas fees you will be paid. Now after that, what you need to do is just click on next, and as you can see, smart contract address. Now click on continue if you are ready to go. Now after that, as you can see, you will be checking the payment and click on confirm to be able to complete the transaction. So because I don't have any fund on my wallet for you, just complete the process to be able to send that amount to their contract address. So this is how to buy the DEX223 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.